In this video, I'll show you how to set up direct debits with Wise. Step 1. Open Wise and log in. Sign into your Wise account on the website or app. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Go to your currency balance. Select the currency balance you want to set a direct debit for. Step 3. Find the direct debits option. Click on the three dots next to the balance and select direct debits from the menu. Step 4. Provide Wise account details to payee. Give your Wise account details displayed to the company or subscription service to set up the direct debit. Step 5. Authorize direct debit with the company. The company will prompt you to confirm and authorize their direct debit mandate, usually online or by form. Step 6. Wait for setup confirmation. It can take up to 3 business days for the direct debit to be set up and start collecting payments. Now I have some tips for managing direct debits. Only authorize trusted companies to collect direct debits. Monitor your Wise balance to ensure sufficient funds for payments. You can cancel or dispute direct debits by contacting Wise support if needed. And that's how you set up your direct debit on Wise. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments down below and I'll help you out.